Here at Max's Classics, gonna go through a tour of the shop, see what he's got in inventory. I'm here to inspect a car. It's got a nice showroom. Got a 65 Pontiac Catalina, 67 Chevelle Super Sport big block with air. Very nice brick building. There's cars hiding behind both of these doors. It's got some more inventory besides what's in this building. Building down and back. There's a bottom floor to this building where the mechanic takes care of his business. Very nice, clean showroom. Nice, well-run shop. Max's Classics here in Pennsylvania. Stay tuned for more information. Here in the main showroom at Max's Classic Cars is a 1965 Catalina two-door. Lots of documentation on this car. No power brakes, no air conditioning. That's the way they made them. No power steering. This is what you bought in 1965. Split bench seat interior, fit 3 across without a problem. Pontiac always had nice dashboards. Repo the original window sticker. This car retailed with a destination charge of $33,2474. Worth a lot more than that nowadays. And it'll take up plenty of room in your garage too. Can't even fit it in the screen right here. And this is a Mustang K-Code. K-Code means solid lifter camshaft, 271 horsepower, and a whole bunch of money. That's in the value category. 289, 4-barrel carburetor, as mentioned, solid lifter engine. Red, black interior, 4-speed transmission. And over here on the trim tag, there is the letter K in the VIN. Pony interior, gauges, console, super nice car. Look at the length of this Pontiac again. And right next to it, but not as long, is a 1967 Chevelle Super Sport. 396, 3¼ horse. Automatic on the column. Another split bench car. And again, you can fit 3 across, 3 in the back with ease. Factory air conditioning car. 3¼ engine cars had a cast iron intake with a closed air cleaner. 350 horse cars had an open air cleaner, and 375 horse cars had an open air cleaner with an aluminum intake manifold, and of course solid lifters and square port heads. Super clean, fantastic running car. 3¼ horse with AC automatic. You can get the whole family in there. This be a great cruise night and car show car. Attract a lot of attention. Family can stay cool on the way to and from. Plenty of power with 3¼ horse. Lots of torque from that big block. Got one more room to look at over there. We'll be there in a minute. Another car here at Max's Classics is this 69 Camaro RS SS 396, 325 horse in Le Mans Blue. Gone through this car today, and it will be for sale in the near future. Black interior, 4-speed console, no power windows or locks. It does have the original seat belts in it. Seats have been reupholstered. It has new carpeting. It's gotten a new headliner. Everything is nice there. The side glass is all factory on both sides. The windshield and the back glass were replaced with PPG pieces. It's had quarter panels. Doors are solid. It's an X22 code on the trim tag, which confirms the Super Sport option. It has all of the proper Rally Sport equipment. It has bumperettes on the front bumper. It does have 15-inch wheels. These cars came with 14s. Car's been repainted. The SS cars had a blackout rear body panel. The RS cars had the reverse lights below the rear bumper. Car runs great. Has square poured heads, aluminum intake, Holley carburetor. Still has a point type distributor. I listened to the car start cold. No skips, coughs, sputters. Ran just fine. Has 2.5-inch exhaust all the way back, exiting behind the rear tires. All in all, a nice car. Said this car will be for sale here at some point in the future. Let's see if we get a quick look under the hood. It's nice and clean under there. There we go. Has a 375 horse sticker on the air cleaner. Has power brakes, no power steering. Has the proper big block heater box over there. You see the heater hoses way to the right side of the car because there's simply not enough room over here where you would find small block stuff. It has the proper exhaust manifolds on both sides. Has new radiator hoses, heater hoses, new washer bottle, new master cylinder. Plug wires have been updated. The hood hinges are painted a natural color, as is the hood lock. Has hood insulation underneath. The hood striker has a natural finish. A lot of things are actually really nice in this car. Super clean. Contact Max if you're interested. A lot of people ask me why I like my job so much. When I'm able to come into a shop to inspect a car and ultimately end up seeing over 20 other cars, that is just an absolute pleasure. Today I am at Max's Classics. He's at 804 West Market Street. Yeah, I'm tongue-tied here. 804 West Market Street, or Wigsburg, PA. Phone number is 570-366-9550. Website is www.maxsclassics.com. MAXS classics.com. Harvey Miller is his operations manager and my tour guide today. Max Groff is the owner of the shop, and he has quite a nice selection of cars that are for sale. But not this one. This is a 58 Chevy Impala convertible. 348 Tri-Power. Max's personal car, not for sale. So we're going to move on from this and get my eyeballs on this 1955 Ford pickup. Full-on custom. Got a 427 standard transmission. This is an absolute beauty. Let's take a peek under the hood. What 55 Ford has anti-lock brakes? Take a peek around the other side. There is tricks galore in this truck. Custom build, dual electric fans, aluminum radiator, adjustable shocks, air conditioning. The roof up there is actually black and it fades to the gray as it comes down. Supple leather. The leather in this thing is absolutely gorgeous. You have a Guinness shifter, full-on digital dash, console up on the roof, double courtesy lights, console, dual cup holders, has running boards, has a hydraulic lift tilt bed, and a Lincoln independent rear suspension. This is one trick piece. Lots of customization, fully smoothed frame back here, bolted in cross member for that independent rear, full running boards, four-wheel disc brakes, and check out the bed. There are no bolts holding the floorboards in this bed. Smooth. Can't tell the fade all that much. Let's look under the bed. Super clean, highly detailed. Power windows. Full-length armrests. Oops. Dual side view mirrors. This is one bad 55 Ford pickup. A 427, it'll go past quite a bit on the road. And 1970 Chevelle Super Sport. Cranberry red, black vinyl top, black interior. Four-speed car, console. Got a 5500 red line, so it's a 350 horse car. Very nicely applied stripes. Cowl hood with the flapper. Four-wheel disc brakes. Super nice car. Very, very popular car. Red is one of the favorite colors for people to take to car shows and cruise nights. Over here is 167 Corvette, and over there is another one. This one has its convertible top. Four-speed, blue leather, super nice car. Another 67. This one's a coupe. We had mentioned before, all the 67s have 5 gills over here. This is a side pipe car. See, the doors continue up into the roof on the coupes. And another thing exclusive to the 67 is the backup light here in the center. You only find that in 67. You see another one there. And from 67, let's jump over to 68. A legitimate Shelby GT500 KR. KR stands for King of the Road. Color is Wimbledon white. This car is documented. It's a 428 single 4-barrel car. Take a peek under this fiberglass hood. There's 428 cubic inches of big block Ford. There is a Marty report on this car. Black interior. Super. Lots of documentation in the Marty report back here. And those famous Shelby taillights. There's a story behind those. Find out how many people know the story behind these taillights and how some of the exhaust fumes got inside the car. From one Shelby to another. Mustang, 2017. GT350. Another standard transmission car. Adjustable exhaust. You can make it loud or quiet. That thing's just got to look absolutely bad coming down the road in your rear view mirror. You see one of these coming up on you, you just might as well move over. Let them by. And a 56 T-Bird. Highly detailed car. Didn't miss a trick on this car. Just the way they made them in 1956, showroom fresh. This car has a Continental kit in the back. Wonder if the hard top is around for this car. Should be. True wire wheels. On its battery tender. Just super nice car. So Max's Classics has quite a selection to choose from. Check out the website. See if you see something you like. Contact Max or Mr. Miller. Inquire accordingly. I've spoken to Max a few times. Just a straightforward, honest guy. Not your, I doubt that's for sale, but because they get snow here in Pennsylvania, they need to clear the yard. As I was saying, Max is just a straightforward guy, not a super pushy salesman like you find at some other places. His cars are clean. He's got a full-time mechanic that goes through the car. I've met and spoken with him. He's pretty meticulous. So again, give Max a call. Check out his website, maxsclassics.com. See what's in his inventory. Spring for this full-on custom 55 Ford. Guaranteed to bring home an award to the first show you go to. Hope you all enjoyed the visit. I spent the day here and had a smile on my face all day long. Hope you enjoyed the show.
Muscle Car Appraisal thanks you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. Please like our video and hit the bell notification. And once again, we thank you for looking at our video. Have a great day.